Falcon 9 is in startup. Go for launch.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go Falcon. Go Falcon.
SpaceX launched a Falcon 9 rocket Tuesday from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral, Florida at 3:11 a.m. Eastern Time.
Vehicles pitching down H.
With a payload of the HTS-113BT Merapudi Duo,
Max Q.
a new high-throughput satellite telecommunications satellite in C-band Ku-band for Indonesia's Telkomsat.
Main engine cutoff.
Stage separation confirmed. Fairing separation confirmed.
Stage 1 entry burn startup. Stage 1 entry burn shutdown. Stage 1 landing burn startup. And next shutdown.
After first stage separation, the booster landed on the drone recovery ship. Just read the instructions.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy.
And there
Stage
you
1
have
landing
it.
confirmed. And back ignition.
About 34 minutes into the flight, the Merapudi Duo satellite was successfully deployed.
Payload separation confirmed.
A huge success for SpaceX and Telkom Indonesia. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you track every SpaceX launch.